Well, welcome to beautiful Skagway, Alaska. And it looks like we are joined by some ship, the Silver Seas. I'm not very familiar with them. And then we have a Norwegian ship. I'm not sure which that one is either, but you can see them back off in the distance there in that beautiful, beautiful scenic background with the mountains and everything. And just, I mean, you just get so spoiled by this every morning. I do have a shuttle, but it's just gonna walk. And for when it's cold and families are containers to walk into.
Is 3 to 5 foot seas. It could be bouncy out there. It's nice and calm. The wind is starting to pick up. The forecast is calling for it to increase, so there will be some waves probably while you're out there. So due to the way we drive the boat and the seas that we encounter, we can't take anyone with neck or back injuries. If you recently had any operations, the doctor says don't go on Skagway. Anything like that.
Okay.
All right. I do need a signature for each participant.
Alright, so this is the area where the little shuttle takes you. See all the people waiting here for various excursions and whatnot. Ours is supposed to start in about 10 minutes. They do encourage you to use the washroom prior to leaving, but I just can't get over this scenic beauty. I mean, everywhere you look, there's these beautiful snow-capped mountains. And you see a lot of people enjoying some of those views while they're waiting for their excursion to start. So again, here we are in Skagway, about to do this ocean wildlife raft adventure. So we gotta wear these suits.
Will be working. He'll
They are
break
hot.
ready. Let's start to walk on down there and we'll go check out the boat. You guys are good?
Captain Bevan's gonna do tight turns and donuts, so make sure to lean into those turns and donuts. And she loves it, and I love it when you guys do rodeo games. Okay, the more the better. The last group was pretty good at them, so you guys are gonna have a hard time beating them.
Yeah.
Hang on. Hold on.
Spot those by their white head in the tree. They look like a little golf ball sitting up there. You might also see them soaring above us on a day like today. They might be trying to find lunch. We'll also look out for harbor seals. So you might see a little head pop up out of the water, or they could be laying out on the rock.
It's windy. The funny thing about the wind is it doesn't get its name from being windy. It's the political winds. That's why they call it the Windy City. Skagway. And we're getting ready to roll out of here. Just waiting for Anita to get out of the restroom. And, we're gonna go check out a couple other places, and yeah, and we'll probably be headed back to the ship here pretty soon. I'm watching the MLB baseball draft because I'm curious to see who the Cubs are going to pick. So I need somewhere with Wi-Fi. Skagway is like a throwback to the 1950s or something. Old town.
Fry bread. That's what it is. Oh, it's the train.
Anita wants to check out fry bread, whatever that is. It looks like, what's that stuff you like? Funnel cakes? It looks like funnel cakes.
Darn!
Back to the ship. There we have Smokehouse Skagway Brewing Company. We have Alaskan king crab legs, fresh halibut fish and chips. Is that the place you were looking for? Now we're headed back.
Open up 9 yet. We're going to save that till the end. So do not open it up. Get ready. We're taking the deal. Deal. So what would the case be that you opened up next? 8. Case number 8. Let's open it up. Audience, open it up with us. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, let's okay though, that's okay. You've still got 253 in your pocket. Let's open up another case. What would it be? 18. 18. We need this to be the 1,000. Come on. 18. Lock it in. Oh. Hey, you know what? That's okay. That's okay. So what would have happened now? I would have got a call from the banker. He would have made another deal. At this point, you would have been like, hey, I'm so close to 1,000. Probably would have said no deal. And then we would have continued and opened up one case. What would it have been? 14. 14. Let's lock it in. Okay. Okay. One of these two cases holds $1,000. I'm hoping that it's the 12. Okay, now we're on another deal from the banker. The deal would have gone up again. You probably would have felt confident again and said no deal. And then we would have either kept or swapped. That was the next step. I would have kept it. You would have kept it? Absolutely. Okay. Let's open up case number 12. George, you know what? 253 is still an amazing win. It's amazing, it's incredible. Did you have a good time? It was so much fun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend.
Well, this is 10 p.m. everybody. 10 p.m. in Alaska. We left Skagway today on our way to the Tracy Arm Ford. That's what we got going on. A little chilly out here. Thank you.
Oh, YouTubers, check me. This is Cookie, your cruise retro on the Carnival Horizon down in Miami, Florida. Trust me, number one, you want to follow this man's channel, Coach Cruise, because he's the absolute best coach out here. Not about fitness, but about cruising. Trust me, he's going to make sure you have the best time ever because he knows the ins and outs of every cruise that you go on. So click that like, follow button, and share more about this brother right here. Not only is he my coach, but he's my cousin. We'll see you all on the next cruise. Until then, we're out of here.
All right.
I just can't get away from a good time.